Welcome back to the channel, Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's latest flagship release. Now, I know you're all excited about those flashy announcements and sleek designs, but before you rush to buy it, there are some major factors Apple conveniently skipped during the launch. In this video, we'll reveal 7 things you must know before purchasing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. These details might change your perspective entirely. Stay tuned to the end, as the final point could save you hundreds of dollars. One of the most talked about features during Apple's event was the larger screen size and the thinner bezels. Apple continues to dominate in the aesthetics department, but here's something they didn't really spotlight. Despite the iPhone 16 Pro Max having a bigger display area, the iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which promises greater detail and better low-light performance. This should appeal to users who enjoy landscape photography or want more versatility from their smartphone camera. One of the most controversial changes is the removal of the 3x optical zoom on the smaller Pro model, leaving the iPhone 16 Pro Max with only 5x optical zoom. Despite the larger battery, the iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't charge as quickly as you'd expect. Even though Apple hinted at improved charging speeds, the wired charging time has actually increased by 5 to 10 minutes. During the iPhone 16 Pro Max launch, Apple dedicated a good portion of time to hyping up the new Apple Intelligence features. But here's the catch. Most of these features won't be available when you first unbox your iPhone. Many of the AI-driven features, such as live text in videos and advanced photo editing tools, are delayed. The base model still starts at 128 GB, which might feel limited, especially if you're into high-quality video recording. Apple has finally transitioned to USB-C, marking the end of the Lightning port. While this brings many benefits, including faster data transfer speeds and better compatibility with non-Apple devices, there's a catch. iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't cheap. Starting at $1,199 for the base model with 128 GB of storage, you're already looking at a significant investment. So, what do you think? Are the new features enough to convince you to upgrade, or are you holding off for now? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And as always, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech releases.